Are you a student, researcher, or professional who handles PDF documents on a daily basis? Did you know that there is an AI-powered tool that can give you deep insights on whatever PDF you upload to it? In this video today, we'll be exploring an amazing tool called ChatPDF. ChatPDF helps us to interact with PDF documents like we interact with humans on our day-to-day lives. We'll discover its unique features and then go on to using it to chat with a PDF. I'm super excited about this. I don't know about you. ChatPDF is an AI solution that helps users to interact with PDF, giving these users answers to their questions in that PDF. You know, it works just like ChatGPT, but the difference between ChatGPT and ChatPDF is that ChatPDF is knowledge based on that PDF, not general knowledge based like ChatGPT does. Let's see how it works. Head on to chatpdf.com. You can either pass in the URL to a PDF or upload a PDF directly from your local machine. I'll work with the latter. You should see this type of interface once your document is done loading. If you look closely, you'll see that our screen is divided into two parts. One containing the PDF we will be querying, titled A Brief History of Artificial Intelligence by Michael Heinlein and Andres Kaplan, and the other containing the chat tab. You can sign into the app so as to save your chats on the application. This will enable you to have your chats handy in case you need them. However, you can still use the tool without signing in. From the ChatPDF webpage, you can export, rename, share, reset, and delete chats respectively by the click of a button. Let's run one of the example questions it generated for us. The first question can go first. What are some of the key milestones in the history of AI? Amazing! It quotes our text, providing the answers we need. It also references a paragraph in a paper where we can study more if we so desire. You can also probe ChatPDF with your own questions. Let's see if it can generate a list of all subtopics in the paper we are considering. Give me a list of all the key subtopics in this paper. Send. We still got a handful of topics that were treated in the paper, even though the AI claims it doesn't have access to all the parts of the paper. One beautiful thing about this tool is that it helps you get a general overview of what any given paper talks about, without having to go through the paper. And this overview is given or generated in a very interactive manner. All these amazing features go for as low as $0 for the free limited plan and $5 for the premium plan. If you got to this point, I'm sure you found this video very interesting. Endeavor to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educative content. Until next time, bye!